Hey creators, you have probably generated text to image content on platforms like Midjourney or Daily, right? But what if I told you that now you can turn your thoughts into full videos just by typing text? Text to Video Generator AI. Just search text to image to video in the tool and click it. Here's how it works. You type out whatever idea is in your mind. The better you describe it, the more accurate and amazing the result will be. For example, I want an elephant standing on a car, so I just type that and hit generate. It takes a few seconds, but then it gives you a super cool video clip. If you are not satisfied, you can just hit generate again and it gives you a fresh version. This is a game changer for creators like us, especially when you need a specific video clip you cannot find it on stock platforms. You are wasting hours searching for the perfect shot. This tool saves you time and effort by letting you generate exactly what you imagine. Mubert.com AI generated. Ever struggle to find that perfect background music for your YouTube video? Even if you find one, it might already be used by someone else, and copyright is always a concern. But now AI can generate unique background music for your content based on the mood you want. Here's what to do. Go to Mubert.com, sign in or create an account. Click on Generate a Track. Now type your vibe, like hip-hop, suspenseful, dynamic, slow, background music, or choose from pre-made modes like fun, motivational, beauty, and more. Hit Generate Done. The AI composes a completely original track just for you. You can preview it, and if you like it, hit Download. Then go to My Downloads and agree, and download now. Your content has unique, royalty-free music ChatGPT 4 access for free. I am not talking about ChatGPT 3.5, I am talking about ChatGPT 4, the real powerhouse for researchers, creators, and content writers. Yes, ChatGPT 4 is paid, but here is the secret. There is a link in the description that gives you limited free access around 120 queries daily with 7 to 8 quality questions allowed per session. Still not enough. Here is another trick. Use Mailin, a temporary access provider for GPT-4. I use Mailin for writing intros, crafting video titles, descriptions, and tags, doing advanced level content research. Then for image generation and other heavy lifting, I switch to Bing AI. Stop using GPT 3.5 if you want to stay relevant. GPT-4 is the real deal. SEO research tool, Chrome extension. Go to Google Chrome Web Store and add an SEO tool. Once installed, choose India or your region. Type any keyword like how to edit video for YouTube. It will show you which keywords are ranking and their position. Supermeme.ai. Make your own memes. Let us be honest, memes make your content more engaging, funny, and shareable, but finding the right meme is tough and time-consuming. Supermeme solves this. Go to the link in the description, click on text to meme, type your idea, choose a meme template or let it generate a new one. You can even search from thousands of ready-made memes. No more random Google images. Now make the exact meme you need. Notion, your creator brain. You may not have heard of it, but trust me, every smart YouTuber uses Notion. It is like your second brain, a powerful productivity and content organization tool. I personally use it for planning YouTube scripts, research, tracking video titles, point-by-point content breakdown, keeping examples, links, and channel data. It helps me stay organized and consistent. Yes, it might seem a bit complex at first, but once you get used to it, you will not want to work without it. Video.AI, turn any long video into YouTube Shorts automatically. Go to Chrome Web Store and search Video.AI. This tool helps you extract the best clips and convert any YouTube video into multiple shorts. Just paste the video link, click Start Import, choose 3 themes. It will analyze and generate up to 18 YouTube shorts. You can edit them, add captions, and download directly. It is how some channels gained 6,000, 200,000, even 700,000 plus subs just from uploading smartly made shorts. FClip. Find the perfect video clip instantly. Where do you usually find video clips? Pixabay, Pexels, Videvo. But let us be honest, they do not always have what you are really looking for. Here is your solution, FClip. Visit the website, link in the description, sign in, click create a video, type what you need like editing, traveling, emotional moment. It shows you highly relevant video clips, sometimes even premium ones from Storyblocks. Note the free version may include low quality or watermark, but here is the trick. Right click, copy video address, paste in the download tool, also linked, and you will get a watermark free HD download. Bonus 1, Futurepedia. Stay ahead with AI news. This website updates you with the latest AI tools and trends before anyone else. From ChatGPT prompts to voice tools to the hottest AI websites, everything is here. Bonus 2, AIPRM for ChatGPT. Get smart prompts instantly. No matter how good your prompt is, AIPRM will always give you something better. Use this for SEO, blog writing, YouTube scripts, ads, product descriptions. Install it and thank me later. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with a fellow creator, and subscribe for more powerful tools and tech tricks. See you in the next one. Stay creative, stay smart.